Very good morning again to everybody. Dapat kayo taskat at muli solemnize ni Rodney John in Eddie in marriage basically. We are gathered here today to celebrate the marriage ng ating natuwa and ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their lives forever. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find their love a reason to remove our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Marriage is given to us for the full expression of love between a man and a woman, so that the husband and the wife may be cherished and delight in one another. Comfort and help each other in sickness, trouble, and in sorrow. Provide for each other in temporal things. Pray and encourage each other, and live together faithfully in all strength of their days. As their friends and loved ones come to join them in their celebration of this moment in their lives, we affirm their desire to join together in marriage and we pledge to support their union. Kaya po, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these two? Ada ako kumontract? Very good. Magayon, kami nag-start tayo ng totoong mga diba? Sige kayo, nagtagal ka nga duwa, face each other. Itong sinima na. To the bride, Eddie, are you here of your own free will and your own volition to bind yourself in love and service of your husband-to-be? Yes, good. Rodney John, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Yes, good. Ginagawa, you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntarily. Okay? Madaming vows mo kaya na, wala ba? Wala yung surat yun. Sige, paano after nyo na? Okay? Sige. Ask you now in the presence of these people to declare your intention and union to each other. O paano after me? Eddie. I will have you, Rodney John, to be your husband, to live together in marriage. I will love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, to be faithful to him as long as I live. Rodney Mel. And me, will you have me? As your husband, to live together in marriage. Will you love me? Comfort me? Honor me? Keep me in sickness and in health? Forsaking all others? Be faithful as long as we shall both live. Okay? We're gonna sit some tayo. Madali mo na. Sige, follow after me na lang a ring is a symbol of wholeness and perfection and unity. Like circles, the rings have no beginning and no end. There are tokens of flowing relationships, so you have to come here and celebrate to confirm. Rodney John, follow after me. Alam di imanan? I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, and all that I have, honor you. That's one. Okay. Kelly, follow after me also. Alam mo imanan? I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor. One. Sige, again, follow after me. Muna pa. Rodney. I hereby take you, Eddie. I hereby take you, Eddie, to be my wife, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Okay, so dapat, Eddie, follow after me. I hereby take you, Lord John, to be my husband, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Ibig ka nun, ang gamit, ano na Kevin mo, promise mo ni Betty, as a husband. Kita mo sila, ha? Kaya promise mo, kasi kamo, alam mo promise mo kay husband mo ay, Betty. Ha? Sige. O, sige, parents kayo. Anak ka, anak kayo, ibaga di, advice. Anak nyo.
Anak ko, ganda, Eddie. Sabi ko nga, para ko yung pagkasali nga kung paano nga si kayo na pati ang nanayon nga nagbon. Ang mamae, nakapit nga kasabi ko, ang damit na yung pinibisyon niya ako, kada kayo panagbon. Asli pa nagkagyo. Yan ang pinagbagat anak ko.
Thank you, Tom. Nang, madamay, pinakala ko. Nadamay lang. Very good. Advice nyo, kasama ako.
May isang mga naman sa din.
May isang ka representative na gitinilong ilang ako. Adam, anak kayo ito ibaga. May-inspire ka siya kasal.
Sumulot kayo ipibiyag, dati asawa na. Anya nalaka. Nung haan mo mga daday ti rason, pagkatikas takit agsina kayo, nabigat galing na challenge na gumuudin nyo na dyan nasayaat, naragsak, na pamilya. Handa ti pangagasawa, kaya nada problema, ti panumutan na dagos, agsina. Ang naraya ti solusyon. Yung nang nanguna ko kaniya po Diyos, ti sentro, ti panagasawa yun. Kaya nada problema yun, tinulong kayo mga sidag kaniya po Diyos. At amin na problema, mabalinan ti Apo. Agipulong dyan, tinaganak. Takno ti kasta ayunan ti maysa ken maysa. Yung adi ti number 1 nga masapol. Ikarara, at ti Apo Diyos, ilang bendisyon ti pamilya.
Thank you, Apo. Sige, Lord. by the virtue of the power vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here to witness, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted, and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. God bless you, and you may now kiss the bride. Okay? Okay, first kiss, and then video. Okay. Ano ba? Okay. Sabi kayo. Hindi, may tinalala yung camera. Okay.
Nakaaman na.
Ayan. Sige ka doon. Nakapirma kayo po yan? Nakapirma kayo. Ito yung ito mga picture. Sige dyan yung sponsors ako na mga witness nyo. Decide mo. Nagiging inongin na ako. Pwede ako mga witness nyo lang pirma siya. Officially, congratulations. You are now married. Thank you. Congratulations. Sige, maganda na ako. Sige, pirma lang yung ninong inang sa register. Tapos, picture taking. O, sige, magawa. O, kahit isang picture tayo. Isa pera ako. Sige. Parents lang. Ay lang. Ay lang. O, ninong ninang sponsor sa pagmagtanan. Mama, si Iwan na kapag mo. Everybody, kita namin ako. Di ba sa kakasay? Tama ka.
Hindi sa dapat. Ay, mama, iba ka nito ng tao. Mama, iba ka na din.
Congratulations.